Now, does that TV really need to be thrown away, or might it be repaired, reused? We all know that recycling is great, but reuse, especially when it comes to electrical items, is even better. And that is what the Fixy project in Somerset is all about. Fixy's aim is to take repair and reuse from niche to norm and help people across Somerset love their stuff for longer.
Incredibly important, and like this sewing machine I've had for probably about 30 years, and I've kept it, and now the repair shop's here, and now I can reuse it, and I intend to reuse it.
Fixy has been giving help to repair groups across Somerset, providing tools for electrical repairs, organising electrical safety testing, promoting events and generally banging the drum for repair and reuse.
Fixy is marvellous because they're opening up the idea of repairing things instead of throwing things away.
The idea of repair and reuse isn't everyone's norm just yet, but Fixy is helping it to get there.